Umkhonto weSizwe Party have launched their door-to-door campaigns and motorcades across the country for by-elections on the 11th of September 2024. Working on the ground has proven to be MK Party's strongest strategy.
Stellenbosch Mafia, Stellenbosch Mafia, sithathi zwele.
Tumula, inali gate, lisandini, inomba bomnyama, phambili, wena phambili, shona phansi, wena ngemuva, tumula. Dem Salaman, Jangalala, Hockey Dem Salaman, Jangalala, Hockey Dem Salaman, Satulala, Hockey Dem Salaman, Satulala, Tambo Tambo, Lucky Tambo.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comments down below. Don't skip the ads and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye.